dude, it's so rare.
Okay, guys, so just
Okay,
today.
I'm gonna leave the call. I'm gonna call you.
Okay. Just you see, guys. You see it? I told you.
Did it do it again?
Yes.
Don't answer, but listen. Don't answer.
Okay. What? I literally, it's from, I don't know, it's from a video. You're like, what? You know, like
Yes.
Discord usually does like, you know, videos and does with a remix.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. The chances of that happening is so fucking small.
Yeah. How did Discord really manage to like put that really rare? What? Is this?
You're still recording, right?
Yes.
Oh my god. How about you call me? Did you call me?
Okay.
Nope,
So?
it's the default one.
Why did it happen to me, but not you?
Oh my god.
It will see what it sounds like when you call me, but wow,
my
this
God.
happened really rarely. This just
my God.
happened.
Let's do it again.
Okay. It's so cool. I just like listened to it for like, I don't know, about a few minutes, and
Oh my god. Oh my god. I was like just calling you to say like I'm back home. Suddenly that happened.
that suddenly, dun dun dun.
Oh my god.
That small chance to happen. This just happened this morning, or evening. I don't know how's that even. Yeah, the Grim is back from his. Never mind. I hope you enjoyed this really.
Oh my god.
You-
Like, is it like this one? The super rare?
Yeah, the super rare ring. Oh, this guy had this. Okay. Okay, so somehow this happened to me just this morning. Wow.
Jesus. Oh my
I
god.
mean, I've been on Discord for quite the long, but I did not notice this would happen this.
Oh my god.
Oh lordy. I hope you enjoyed this special video about this rare ringtone.